know, me learn. Always set priorities in a life. Standards and work within a constraints of a budget. While I go into the supermarket to buy 2 items. And while I was in the supermarket, I see this beautiful slice of fish them put out in a nice fried codfish. And I said, wow, I could make a fish sandwich. Ladies and gentlemen, I asked the guy, I said, look about 2 slices of the fish sandwich, the fish for me, because I make fish sandwich. Let's give me 2 slices. When the guy work out the total and thing, get the fish out and me like them and everything, and the man goes a bum and check price and everything, the man said, this is $9.49 for 2 slices of fish. I said, brother, put them back in the brother. Put them back. Man say, I don't want them. I say, yeah, I want them, but I can't afford them. Put them back. Ladies and gentlemen, I go pull it in a sardine and work it with some crackers. Why? Sliced fish now in my budget.